Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Intel NUC 13 Pro Mini PC. When it comes to mini PCs, it's hard to beat a machine built to the Intel NUC specs. I've owned and tested a number of them myself and have been very happy with all of them. With this model, we have a system running a 16-core Core i7 chip that can power up to 3.7 GHz with a built-in Iris-A GPU. Backing that is 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB M.2 SSD. That's quite a spec for a system you can hold in the palm of your hand. As for ports, the system has a multitude of USB ports, along with Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and Ethernet. It's a real powerhouse in a compact space. This is a no-frills workhorse. No LED lights, no fancy design, just a powerful computer in a box. As mini PCs go, this one is likely overkill for most, and that's reflected in the price. There are definitely cheaper mini PCs out there. Number 2. Apple Mac Mini PC. Just when you thought this list would only include Windows systems, we've got the Mac Mini. This was one of the original mini PCs, and with the switch to Apple Silicon processors, it has a new lease of life. These were once considered the gateway Mac that got people over to macOS from Windows because they could replace their Windows PC with the Mac Mini and keep using their existing keyboard, mouse, and monitor with their new Mac. It's now a staple of the Mac lineup, and the perfect choice for those who want a compact system. I've owned a few different Mac Mini systems over the years, and I've been more than satisfied by them. They're reliable, well-built, and run cool and quiet. This is a great choice for those who want a system they can take out of a box, set up, and start using. I set up a lot of systems, and I'm always impressed by how quick it is to get a Mac up and running. This is also a powerful system that won't disappoint. The thing with the Mac Mini is that you're having to use the macOS, and if that's new to you because you've got years on Windows muscle memory under your belt, then this could be a big, frustrating learning curve. The other downside to this system is upgrading. Bottom line, this Mac will live and die with the same processor, RAM, and storage that it left the factory with. If upgrading is your thing, give Macs a miss. Number 3. Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC. It's small, and it's budget-friendly. That's a neat combination. The Beelink S12 Pro offers a lot of bang for your buck in a compact design that is at home on a desk or attached to the back of a TV. This system's price makes it a perfect choice for those who want a cheap yet powerful mini PC. As long as you're not running AAA title games or other heavy workloads, this system has you covered. The only con to this system is that it runs the older 12th Gen Intel Silicon, but for $149, this is still a system that both holds its own and won't break the bank. Number 4. Khadas Mine 2S Mini PC. The tiny Khadas Mine 2S draws power over USB-C, so it's perfect for moving between two workspaces or working in a DIY mobile office. Primarily powered over USB-C, the Khadas Mine 2S differs from the other mini PCs we tested for this guide, which all require being plugged into a traditional wall outlet to function. The Mine 2S's size and USB-C power open up a ton of potential uses. You could stick it on the back of a monitor to build a quick and easy all-in-one PC, for instance, or you could power it up with a 45W power bank, connect it to a portable monitor, and take it on the go, as we did. And despite its small size, in our tests it still performed almost as well as the M4 Mac Mini. Number 5. Bmax Mini PC B2 Mini PC. The Bmax B2 Power is equipped with the reliable Intel 5205U processor, 2 cores/2 threads, 1.9 GHz, offering a significant performance upgrade over older generation chips like the N4000 and N4020. This small and efficient mini PC delivers consistent results in daily productivity, office work, and web browsing. Installed with DDR4 8GB RAM, the B2 Power Mini PC supports expansion to 64GB RAM. Featured with a 256GB M.2 NVMe SSD, it supports dual M.2 slot expansion for up to 4 TB of total storage. Upgrades not included. Enjoy a stable connection, get up to 1000 megabits per second data transmission speed for a reliable, low-latency connection. ideal for stable video calls, streaming, and daily office work. The B2 Power integrates Intel UHD graphics to deliver solid graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of office applications, 4K at 60Hz UHD video playback, and browsing. It can connect to two display screens simultaneously.